How to fix two-finger scroll not working on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix two-finger scroll not working on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just simply go with the search, and under search you need to search for control panel. Once you search for control panel, you need to go with hardware and sound, and here you need to go with mouse option. Now under mouse you need to go with pointers, and you need to select the scheme. You can simply select any different mouse pointer scheme from the list. And once you've selected, you just need to simply go with apply and OK. And your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then remove this and then right click on your Windows and go with run option. Now under run, you need to simply enter appwiz.cpl and hit the enter, or click on OK, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you need to right click on the program for your touchpad and repair. You can simply go with the touchpad option and right click on it, and then you will have a repair option. You can simply go with repair. If you don't have that option, or if it doesn't fix your problem, then you need to try the next method, which is you can simply search for device manager. Click on device manager, and under device manager, once it loads, you need to go with mice and other pointing devices, and then select your mouse, right click on it and go with update driver and search automatically for drivers. And once your drivers has been installed, you need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.